Grace Emma, and I'm going to show you how to make plastic out of glue. We need glue, I think white glue, because I've just made it with white glue. So if you know some other kind of glues that makes plastic, please tell me. We need something to put the glue on, and we need a paper towel in case it gets dirty. First of all, we're gonna get some glue and put it on the stuff that we want to make plastic on. So just put a little bit and then spread it everywhere like this. And if it looks too thin, you might add a little bit more if you want to make the plastic really thick and not going all not breaking. Just forgot that word. Like that. Just put it on smoothly. A little bit more. Just put it. Like that. Just spread it all over, all like that. A little bit more. Like that. Just smooth it out with your finger. Just don't do this to put it everywhere. Just smooth it out so it gets really flat. And when you take it off, it's really easy. Just get that bit off. Put back on. Now we just have to wait until we feel that the glue is not feeling sticky. So we have to wait until it's not feeling sticky, and then we will take it off.